NVIDIA has released the very latest Shield Experience Update version 9.1 for eligible Shield TV devices, and it brings with it a number of improvements that enhance gaming no matter what your home entertainment system or setup consists of. So let's go hands-on and find out what's new. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. So the biggest new addition to NVIDIA Shield Experience 9.1 is this new automatic game mode. Working in tandem with the inbuilt gaming mode on many modern smart TVs, this reduced latency setting can give you a real competitive edge by saving on-screen frames, and it can actually save 10 whole frames when you are playing at 60 FPS, which when in competitive games could actually make all the difference. It's not just in gaming though that you will notice some changes, as when using things such as video calling apps like Duo or Zoom, NVIDIA Shield Experience 9.1 enables automatic game mode so that your conversations should hopefully flow better without that awkward call lag or reducing call lag and the frustration of having to repeat yourself when things do go awry and your connection does start to drop. Shield TV devices with this latest update can also control your TV display mode settings to switch to game or gaming modes without the requirement of diving into the settings yourself. This saves time, and it means that no matter what titles you're playing, including Android games and even some old console emulators, on GeForce Now or even on rival cloud gaming services or game streaming services, you will have the best possible experience courtesy of your Shield TV set-top box and this Experience 9.1 update. Should you want to set this setting though on an app-by-app basis, you're actually free to do so. NVIDIA Shield TV owners can actually customize this automatic game mode as they see fit, meaning services like YouTube and Netflix work just like they should and are not super smoothed out and feel like that cinematic experience that you're expecting. When you combine the NVIDIA Shield Experience 9.1 update with all of the benefits of GeForce Now, including RTX 3080 powered cloud gaming at 1440p with that silky 120 FPS refresh rates, 4K HDR and even Dolby 7.1 surround sound support, and your living room could really well become your new home for true high-end PC gaming without all of the tethers that come with traditional PC gaming. With good reason too. That's with good reason too, as NVIDIA GeForce Now supports over 1,200 games, including 100 of the biggest and best, most popular free-to-play titles, in an ever-expanding list showcasing just what high-end PCs can do, no matter where you want to play, be that mobile, desktop, laptop, TV, it is all possible. Don't just take our word for it though, try the GeForce Now service for yourself by heading to geforcenow.com or via the link in the description, and on top of that, to get all the latest and greatest gaming news each and every week, be sure to check out the regular GeForce Now Thursdays for all of the info on one of the best cloud gaming services out there. And thanks to NVIDIA for sponsoring 9 to 5 Google here on YouTube.